Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I need to make a quick little grocery run. Just picking up one item from the grocery store, so I thought I'd take you along. I'm going to be taking out the brand new, this is your first look of the Euy bike. This is the K6F. Yeah, sweet little bike we unboxed yesterday. And I put this bag on here just for my use to run to the grocery store, and also put a cell phone holder on here. That's it so far. But pretty sharp looking bike. I like the color. I like this color. I think that's sharp. I'm not a huge fan of the camo. Maybe it's because I spent 20 years in the military and I just kind of tired of camo, Got a huge, big, humongous headlight on the front, motorcycle style headlight. Got the motorcycle style forks. The tan tires, excuse me, I typically don't like the tan sidewall tires, but on a few select bikes it works just fine, and I don't know, I guess it works okay on this bike. I think I would have preferred just the solid black, but that's okay. It is a dual suspension, and it's got a big battery. I don't remember, haven't really studied the specs yet. I think that's like a 25 amp hour battery if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't remember for sure, but I think so. Ooh, what's that? Oh, I thought that screw was coming out. No, that's just designed that way. Let's see what else. Oh, it's got a big motor on it too. I think this was wow, is this the one that had a 1,000-watt motor? I've got so many bikes coming in here recently, or soon, and I don't remember all the specs and everything. Let's see if it says on there somewhere. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I don't see it. That's okay, we'll figure it out and let you know. Yeah, so anyway, get this out here in the sunshine a little bit better. Yeah, kind of sharp though. This morning, took it for a spin right around in my neighborhood right after I had it built. And quite fun. Haven't done anything else with it yet. Don't like this saddle at all. Well, that saddle is just terrible. I don't know, it's just terrible. We're going to raise it up. I think my buddy Ron rode this last, because he was here. I think he took it for a spin. There we go. Yeah, let's get down here. Oh, it's an 8-speed, which is real nice. Cut down on that ghost pedaling. So, a lot of good things to like about this bike. Kind of short, as far as the length of it, kind of short, so it's kind of small. Let's see here. Oh, speaking of which, there's my buddy Ron. So, right before I started this video, I sent a message to my buddy Ron and said, hey, you want to run up to the grocery store with me? Because sometimes he goes up there with me, I'll go up there with him. And I didn't get a response, so I thought, okay, yeah, he's busy today, And that was him calling saying, hey, I just saw the message. Yeah, I'll go. He just needs to finish his sandwich. That's okay. We're going to take a spin around the neighborhood. Oh, there we go. Boy, this thing, it just jumps right up there quick. Uh-oh, Richard's about to mess up. Need to move my wallet. Put it somewhere where it's safe. Hang on, guys. I'll get chatting with you here in a minute. Airplanes going overhead. Here's a golf cart. Hello! There's a golf cart. I don't know if you saw that. All right. Oh, man. What a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be sunny for the next 4 or 5 days. 6 days, something. But it's about to turn hot. So today is probably, I don't know, maybe 75 at most. Last night it was around 60 or something, just a little cooler. It's been like that for a couple of nights. But here in another midweek or so, man, it's supposed to be like 90 degrees. It'll be I don't know if it's the hottest day that we've had yet this spring, but possibly. Yeah, anyway. Readjust on that seat a little bit. So back to this bike. Let's see, we're in 7th gear. Doing 16 miles an hour in pedal assist 2. Let's bump it up to 3. That motor hums a little bit. And it's just humming right along. I'm going to go ahead and put this up in 8th gear. 20 miles an hour, pedaling comfortably. All right. So, I'm a little surprised. 8th gear, 20 miles an hour. I'm starting to get I can get a little ghost pedaling if I don't really keep after it. I would have suspected there would have been like no ghost pedaling, but I don't know what size. Looks like a decent sized crank on here, on the front. Yeah, man, that's a big one. That's like a 52 probably. I don't know what, must have big gears in the back and not small enough or something. But that's all right. Zip around here a little bit. Brakes feel good. These are Logan brakes. It's my understanding Logan is better than like the Tektro brakes. I mean, I haven't done this long enough. I haven't seen Logan brakes, but I think once before I saw Logan brakes on something. But it's my understanding their Logan is really good. They feel good. No noise. I mean, that's a big plus. This steering, I don't know. Steering feels a little off though. There's been a couple of times I just felt like, man, is everything tightened up like it's supposed to be? I mean, I checked everything, but it just feels, I don't know. Maybe it's just the angle of the handlebar stem and the headset and everything. Maybe it's just the angle of it. A little closer to the front of the tire, you know, and it's not, front tire isn't out there like it is on some bikes. It's a little closer, and because the bike is a little shorter. So that might be what it is. It just makes it feel a little strange. You get used to it. It feels good though. I mean, this bike, nice smooth pedal there. I'm gonna say the motor's not too loud, so that feels pretty good. Don't know. Plenty of power. Plenty of giddy up. Let's see if he's out in his garage yet. Not yet. Hello. Yeah. Ron said, well, come on over. I'll just finish my sandwich, but I'll have the garage door open for you. No. You finish your sandwich. I'm not going to sit in your garage and wait, Ron. No rush. I got all of about 20 minutes to get this done. I got more time than that. I got Emma and Devin are coming over today for dinner. I'm going to be making what I call a chicken pot biscuit. Yeah, so it's not chicken pot pie, it's just a chicken pot biscuit, right? You've probably heard of it. You make it like a chicken pot pie, you know, you make the filling and all the goodies inside, and you just make you some biscuits and pour it over biscuits instead of a pie shell or something. So that's what I'm doing. It's a little easier, still very tasty. I'll make a pretty good biscuit and gravy. I grew up in the South. My father taught me how to make a really good biscuit and gravy. So basically doing that, only you're adding the chicken and the celery and some carrots, and I'm going to put some sweet pea in there, little peas, with a almost like a breakfast gravy filling, and then put it over some biscuits. That's the plan. Let's say hello to Mr. Donkey over here. Hello, Donkey. Hello there, Donkey. Oh, come on. Stop being such an ass. He doesn't want to say anything. All right, here we go. Oh, forgot where my throttle is. I had to look down at my handlebars like, okay, where's the throttle on this thing? I was looking for a thumb throttle. This one's got a twisty throttle. Yeah, it's fun, you know, bouncing from bike to bike like I get to do, because you're always looking for the controls. Where are the controls at? You know, Every bike I get on, I was like, oh, let's see, how's this one operate? It's a good problem to have, I promise you. Hey, a couple of videos ago, I told you guys how busy we're getting. Interesting things going on behind the scenes. Like, wow, very interesting things. Was reached out by a company, can't say who they are. Said, Richard, we've been around since almost the beginning of e-bikes, and you know, we appreciate how you conduct your channel and how, you know, you're honest and all that good stuff, and we've got something new that we'd like to get your feedback on before we send it to production, basically. And I said, well, that's cool. So we're going to be hopefully get a chance to share some thoughts, insights, and maybe have a little input. I don't know, maybe not. We did the same thing with another company recently. So it's kind of fun being able to do that. Use the experience I've gained from this channel and all the many bikes and trikes that I get to ride, and then share some of that with these companies. Help them make a better product. There's my buddy Ron. Yeah, he was just...
Yeah, we went yesterday down by our on her back end.
Yeah.
All right, bud.
All right, later.
All right, take care. That'd be our luck if we